Welcome to the Budgie Boys vlog number 11, and the lads are doing very well. They're just having a little bit of mirror time. Bluey's all full of beans. It's only about 5:30 in the morning, so they've just woken up. The mirror certainly encourages some live wire action. They're doing very well. Their eyes are starting to change from a solid black, large black pupil to one which has a white rim. And when they get all chatty, sometimes their pupil gets very small and there's like a big white rim around their eyes. Hey budgies. Mirrors have worked really well actually. Bring out the singer in your budgie. Well, have a good day guys. See you here.